Hello, boys and girls. Miss Fogelman here for your math lesson. Today is Thursday, and we have been working on math strings, adding more than two numbers together. So let's get started with today. Let me share my screen. And all right. Now, our learning target for today is that the student will use the doubles and near double strategies to add number strings. So here we have our first strategy that we learned, making 10. When we find two numbers that equal 10 so that it's easier to add to the other number or numbers. Today we're going to be talking about doubles. Find the double combinations that you already know and can add first. So in this one, 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6, we have two sixes. And when we have doubles of something, it's usually easier to recall adding them together what your answer is. So we know that 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13, plus 3 is 16. So it made it a lot easier for us to add these numbers by having those doubles there. So let's take a look at this problem. Ms. Fogelman is going to try to find a way to annotate. Let me try again. Alrighty. Okay, so in the double strategy, we use the doubles we know to help us solve an equation string. So for example, we have 4 plus 4, which all of you have learned, and so that is 8. So that is much easier to add together first, because we know that 4 plus 4 is 8. Then if we add the 8 to the 3, we get 11. So that is one of our strategies that makes it much easier for us to add numbers together by finding those doubles. All right, now let me clear my board, and we're going to go to another example. Let me go back to sharing my screen. Give me one moment. There we go. All right, now, with near doubles, we use an equation we know to help us with one that we don't know. So for example, we have these two numbers here. Now we know 4 plus 4 is 8. That's a double. Well, 5 plus 4 is a near double, okay? So 5 plus 4, we know 4 plus 4 is 8. So 5 plus 4 must be 9, because it's one more than 4 plus 4. So we have 9 here. Then we would do 9 plus 6. And we know that that is 15. All right. Now, another one you could do with this particular one is 6 plus 4, which we know is 10. And 10 plus 5 is 15. So either way, you got the same answer, because remember, we did talk about how the order of the numbers for addition does not matter. You still get the same number. So let's go back and review our chart. Ms. Fogelman did not clear that, but we will get that cleared. Annotate, clear all drawings. There we go. All right, now our number string strategies are all on this chart, so I just want to go over them one more time before I let you go. Making 10 is our first strategy. That's when we're finding 2 of the 3 numbers that equal 10, so it's easier to add to that 10. Doubles is when we find 2 numbers of the 3 that are the same number, and so it's easier to add them together and then add them to the last number. And our last strategy is near doubles. That's when you find 2 numbers where the second number is just 1 off from the other, almost a double, and that makes it easier. So for example, here, 6 and 5. 6 is only just 1 bigger than 5, so 5 plus 5 is 10. We have that extra 1, so it's 11. So that does make it easier then to add to the next number. These are the strategies we will be using for number strings. Let me see. Go back in. All right, and that is what I wanted to do to close up our lesson today. All right, make sure you get that assignment done and turned in, and keep working hard, and have a good day.